we going. So I've just woken up this morning. It's about 7 o'clock. Just show you the view from the room. It's beautiful. Big mountain over there. Yeah, stunning. Hey guys, you gotta check this breakfast out. This is amazing. Hello sir, how are you mate? Looks delicious. Is this the roti canai?
Yes.
Yes please, I would love one, thank you.
Alright, ready for you.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay boss, no breakfast.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Unreal, so good. I just had a roti canai. It was absolutely delicious. Now I'm gonna go for the dosa. Yum. See you guys. Yeah guys, so that was Saki's restaurant. And I'll put this little sign on the door. Yeah, absolutely beautiful breakfast. It's unreal, we're right on the water. Man, best breakfast ever. I just had dosa. I had roti canai. It was unreal. So delicious. Such beautiful surroundings. We're going to go for a walk today, see if we can find some street art. Apparently there's heaps of street art around this place, and yeah, we might head up to Penang Hill on the train hopefully very soon, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, no, it's been a good first day so far. Alright, see you guys.
wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know what she's doing to me. I'm blossoming. 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 You know I was better off than afraid. My home, I used to hide them away. I'm thankful you opened up my